Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this tutorial we are going to see how we can export anything from Blender. I mean, animate and rig anything in Blender and then export it to Unreal Engine 5 to be used as a game asset. As you can see in front of me, in the screen in the viewport, we have a simple 3D model which we created in Blender and rigged it. I mean, by rigging, which we mean added skeletons to it and then animated it and then exported it to Unreal Engine 5. So let's begin. So what you see in front of me, I have created just a simple character with cubes and joined them together using selecting all of them and pressing Ctrl plus J on my keyboard in the object mode. So now let's just rig it. So for rigging we need to add armature. So click on armature and move it a bit above, but we can't see it. So what we're going to do is go to viewport display and click on in front, so it will show up in front. And now we need to add this armature to both these flaps. Okay, so for that what we need to do is I'll just simply duplicate this bone and you know move it over these over here. Okay, so now you can see we have the bone in place. So now we just need to combine all of these bones together first. So hold select all these bones and press Ctrl plus P. Control J, sorry, and all of these bones will be joined together. Now we need to join this whole bone to this cube. So well, before that what we need to do is let's just undo this. We forgot one step, and that is to name all of these bones. And to name them, just select this one, go to bone sorry this one, bone data, and rename it. So this one is going to be the root, and name this one is going to be flap dot l, and this is going to be flap dot r. So this is how you name the bones. On right hand side parts you name it dot r, and then for the left dot l, and for the root bone it is root only. Now we can connect all of these bones together as we did before. Now all of these bones are connected. Now let's just select this mesh and then the bone, and then join it together, and then press Ctrl P with automatic weights, amateur deform with automatic weights. So now it is joined, and to check that, let's just go to pose, and you'll see if you select any bone and then try to rotate it, so it is rotating, the mesh is rotating with the bone, so it is connected. Press Alt A, sorry, uh, Control A to apply pose to reset. So sorry, not that, Control Z, select this, use Control Z to undo this, and yes. And now we will go to animation mode, and here we will animate. So let's just drag and this move it over here. Let's just move this to let's say 20, and we'll animate these flaps. So just hold this, shift hold both of them, click on rotate, and we'll move. Okay, it is not going to work that way. So we will select this individual bow and move it a bit above. Well, we haven't, you see, there is no key assigned over here because we haven't checked this auto key. So we'll check this auto key first. And now we will, if we move it above, you see, we have this thing over here. Keys are assigned. Now just select this one and again move this one also up. So the keys are assigned for this one also. Now select both of these, and this way you will select the deform of both the bones and just copy and paste it at 20. Copy, move it to 20, right click, paste, and over here you can right click and paste flipped. Well, it has done a weird animation, so let's just control Z, and over here in the center at 10, what we are going to do is select this and move it down, select this and move it down too. So now if I press play, you will see it gives me a nice bird flapping like animation. So our animation is done, we have animated successfully. Let's just move it back, and let's just get back to the layout mode, uncheck this. Now we need to select the mesh and the bone. Well, we need to double click on this armature and rename it to something else. Skeleton. You can name it anything, but not make sure it is not armature. Now select all of this, select the mesh and then the bone, and then go to file, um, click on export, click on FBX, and here you can choose any place where you want to, paste it. So I'll paste it over here in the desktop, and well, there are a lot of things I have pasted. So over here what you are going to do is go to selected objects and select the armature and the mesh, then scroll down, go to geometry, and under smoothing select faces, and under armature select only deform bones and uncheck add leaf bones. Rest all as it is, and yes, just rename it to, let's say, bird, cube bird, and just export it. And now we'll open the Unreal Engine 5 and then import it over there. Okay, so we are in Unreal Engine, and I have opened the third person map of my one of the tutorials, and you see we have this cube bird. So let's just drag and drop it in the level. So for that we'll just open this content drawer, select this FBX and drag and drop it over here. Now here are a few settings which you need to do. Well, all make sure this is ticked. If not, then tick it. Skeletal mesh, import skeletal mesh, as well as tick on the import animation so that it imports the animations as we created, and rest all will be the same. Okay, just click on import all, and you see we have this beautiful character here. So let's just save it, and if I drag this animation thing in the level, well, it's very huge, but anyways, if I rotate it, let me rotate it, and in the details panel let me reduce its size by locking in, let's make it 0.6. Okay, this looks good. So if I just play, so you see it is playing this animation. So great, we have this you know we have seen how we can animate anything in Blender, and then I import it to Unreal Engine. So this is how we have to go about, and that's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. It's very easy, and now you'll be able to rig and animate anything in Blender and then export it to Unreal Engine 5 to be used in your games. So yes, happy game making. Do check out my other videos on this channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Happy gaming.